Rail fans of the Cajon Pass, we're at Rana, R-A-N-A, the city of Colton. Yep, we do it all. Stacked intermodal with a bunch of, looks like containers from China. Got them in some deep well wagons. Been here about 45 minutes. It's the third intermodal we got. Really hoping for a freight train. The tie-down train behind us, I'm not sure if there's a crew in it or not. It doesn't look like it. But it could be. They do have one waiting to go somewhere around here. I heard on the radio they wanted to let 2 more trains go through. I'm assuming this is one of the 2. Then they were going to release this person. Six sets of tracks here. The 2 closest to me pull off the main lines. They go into the San Bernardino hub. I think I'm seeing a rear DPU or 2. Got an H1 in here. See if it's one of our regulars. That's a beautiful sound. 975, I've seen that several times. The train is moving like a Z train, even though it's not. It could be. It's not a Z9 though. Alright, railroad fans, Cajon Pass, please subscribe to the channel, give us a big thumbs up, share with your friends, help us out on Patreon, please. We could use it. We've got Super Chat now, so check that out. We love you guys. And we'll catch you on the next one. Take care.